We'll take a deep dive into the various benefits of using an expert advisor, from the ability to analyze market data quickly to the potential for reducing emotional trading decisions. Whether you're a new trader looking to get started or an experienced trader looking for a way to take your trading to the next level, you won't want to miss this video. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of Forex expert advisors together. 1. Increased efficiency. EAs can scan the market and execute trades faster than a human trader, which can increase the efficiency of trading. This means that EAs can quickly analyze market data and respond to market movements with automated trades, which can help traders to take advantage of profitable opportunities more quickly and efficiently than a human trader. 2. Automated trading. With EAs, traders can automate their trading, which can help them avoid emotional trading decisions and reduce the chances of making mistakes. This is because EAs execute trades based on predetermined rules and algorithms, which can help traders to remain disciplined and avoid impulsive trades that are based on emotions rather than analysis. 3. Consistency. EAs follow predetermined rules consistently, which can help traders to stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions. This means that EAs can help traders to maintain a consistent trading strategy over time, which can lead to more consistent profits and better risk management. 4. 24/7 trading. EAs can trade around the clock, which means that traders can take advantage of trading opportunities at any time. This is particularly useful for traders who are unable to monitor the market constantly or who are based in different time zones. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we release new content. Join our community of like-minded individuals and stay ahead of the curve in the Forex market. 5. Backtesting. EAs can be backtested using historical data, which can help traders to evaluate the performance of the EA before deploying it in a live trading environment. This means that traders can test the EA's performance against different market conditions and make any necessary adjustments before risking real money. 6. Customization. EAs can be customized to suit a trader's specific trading style and preferences. This means that traders can create an EA that matches their own trading strategy and risk appetite, which can lead to more effective and profitable trading. 7. Multi-currency trading. EAs can trade multiple currency pairs simultaneously, which can help traders to diversify their portfolio and reduce risk. This means that traders can spread their risk across different markets and currency pairs, which can reduce the impact of any losses on their overall trading account. 8. Risk management. EAs can be programmed to apply risk management techniques such as stop-loss orders and trailing stops, which can help traders to minimize losses. This means that EAs can help traders to manage their risk and protect their trading account from significant losses. 9. Scalability. EAs can handle large trading volumes, which means that traders can scale up their trading operations without having to worry about capacity constraints. This means that traders can expand their trading activities and increase their profits without having to worry about technical limitations. 10. Technical analysis. EAs can analyze technical indicators and patterns in real time, which can help traders to identify trading opportunities. This means that EAs can analyze market data quickly and effectively, which can help traders to identify profitable trading opportunities and execute trades accordingly. 11. Speed. EAs can execute trades at lightning-fast speeds, which can help traders to take advantage of short-term market movements. This means that EAs can help traders to capitalize on small market movements and generate profits quickly and efficiently. 12. Objectivity. EAs are not subject to emotional biases or cognitive errors, which can help traders to make objective trading decisions. This means that EAs can help traders to avoid making emotional trades that are based on fear, greed, or other cognitive biases. 13. Low latency. EAs can execute trades with low latency, which can help traders to capitalize on fleeting market opportunities. This means that EAs can help traders to respond quickly to market movements and take advantage of profitable trading opportunities before they disappear. 14. Flexibility. EAs can be programmed to adjust to changing market conditions, which can help traders to adapt to new market trends. This means that EAs can help traders to adjust their trading strategy in response to changing market conditions. 15. No time constraints. EAs can trade without time constraints, which means that they can execute trades even when the trader is away from their computer or unable to monitor the market. This means that traders can automate their trading and take advantage of market movements even when they are not actively trading. 16. Reduced stress. EAs can help to reduce the stress and pressure associated with manual trading, which can be particularly beneficial for new traders who may feel overwhelmed by the complexity of the Forex market. This means that traders can rely on their EAs to execute trades automatically, which can help to reduce the emotional strain and pressure associated with manual trading. 17. Advanced analysis. EAs can use advanced analysis techniques such as artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze market data and make trading decisions. This means that EAs can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently, which can help traders to identify profitable trading opportunities and execute trades accordingly. 18. Multiple strategies. EAs can be programmed to trade using multiple strategies simultaneously, which can help traders to diversify their trading activities and reduce risk. This means that traders can use EAs to trade across different markets and currency pairs, which can help them to generate profits from multiple sources. 19. Cost-effective. EAs can be a cost-effective alternative to hiring a professional trader or investment manager. This means that traders can save money on trading fees and commissions, while also benefiting from the speed, efficiency, and objectivity of automated trading. 20. Improved performance. EAs can help traders to improve their overall trading performance by providing objective, data-driven analysis and decision-making. This means that traders can rely on their EAs to identify profitable trading opportunities and execute trades automatically, which can help them to achieve better results and generate higher profits over time. In conclusion, Forex expert advisors, EAs, can provide numerous benefits to traders, such as increased efficiency, automated trading, consistency, 24/7 trading, backtesting, customization, multi-currency trading, risk management, scalability, technical analysis, speed, objectivity, low latency, flexibility, no time constraints, reduced stress, advanced analysis, multiple strategies, cost-effectiveness, and improved performance. EAs can help traders to automate their trading activities, reduce emotional biases, identify profitable trading opportunities, manage risk, and generate consistent profits over time. While EAs can be a valuable tool for traders, it is important to note that they are not a guaranteed solution to trading success and should be used in conjunction with other trading strategies and techniques. Traders should carefully evaluate the performance of their EAs and make any necessary adjustments to ensure that they are achieving their desired trading outcomes.